Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Rline, a stylish estate with 130 horsepower and a 1.5 litre engine. With a vibrant red exterior, this petrol manual transmission vehicle is sure to turn heads. Packed with comfort and safety features such as cruise control, ABS, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and more for a comfortable ride. Plus, with security features like centralised locking and an anti-collision system, you'll feel secure on the road. This vehicle also includes a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Golf R line. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information today.